How to get Steam on your computer or laptop. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Steam on your computer. First, open an internet browser. In the search box, type Steam Download and press Enter. Then, click on the top result, which is the official Steam website. From there, you can either click the Install Steam option in the top right corner or click the Install Steam button on the page. Once the download starts, open your browser's download section and find the Steam setup file. Click on it to open it and keep watching because I'll also show you how to set up Steam. Click Next, then click Next again, and select Install. If any updates are available, Steam will automatically download and install them, so just wait for the process to finish. After that, you'll be taken to the Steam sign-in page. If you already have a Steam account, enter your account name and password to sign in. If you don't have an account, click Create a Free Account. You'll then need to enter your email address and complete the required details to create your free Steam account. Once you're signed in, click on Library at the top, where you'll be able to see all of your installed games. To download a game, click on Store. You can then search for any game you want. For example, you can search for Dota 2 and open its page. Since it's a free game, just scroll down and click the Play Now button. Steam will then download and install the game directly onto your computer. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.